Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale this absolutely stunning Suzuki Intruder 800. So this one is a 2006, super clean. It's in 21,504 miles, and it's only got 2 owners from new. So super nice clean bike. We're going to be giving the bike a full valve clearance service as part of the sales check, and it's also got the backrest on there as well. So it's a lovely example. I think you'll struggle to find a nice one anywhere else. It's really clean. And like I say, super low owners, and it's getting a super comprehensive service as part of the sale as well. So yeah, it's a really nice example. Super clean, all the paintwork's all nice, all the chrome work's all nice. There's no harsh pitting anywhere, anything like that. It's just a really nice, clean, honest, low owner bike. So if it's what you're looking for and you fancy it, give us a call. I'll get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.